New OpenClaw Discord update. So, someone just turned an entire Discord server into a searchable database. And it is crazy. This new OpenClaw Discord update changes everything. It is so simple, even a kid could use it. And honestly, I think this is one of the biggest things to happen to Discord in a long time. Let me show you exactly how it works. Okay, so here is the problem. You know when you are in a big Discord server and you need to find something, maybe a bug fix, maybe a solution someone posted like 6 months ago, you type it into the search bar, and what happens? Nothing useful. Discord search is honestly terrible, like genuinely broken for anything technical. You scroll and scroll, you click through random threads, and half the time you just give up. You never find what you need. Now imagine this. What if you could search that entire Discord server the same way you search a database, like actual queries? Not just typing words into a search bar and hoping for the best. I am talking about real searches that pull up exactly what you need in seconds. Every message, every thread, every attachment, everything. That is exactly what this new tool does. It is called Discrawl, and it is part of the OpenClaw ecosystem. Let me break it down for you. Discrawl is a tool that crawls an entire Discord server, every single channel, every single thread, every single message, every member, every attachment, all of it, and it takes all of that data and puts it into a local database on your machine, a SQLite database to be exact. So now instead of using Discord search, you can run real database queries on years of chat history instantly. Think about that for a second. Years of conversations, thousands of messages, all searchable in seconds, not minutes, not hours, seconds. And here's where it gets really cool. It does not just store the messages, it builds something called a full text search index. That is a fancy way of saying it makes search insanely fast. We're talking millions of messages and you still get results instantly. That is powerful. Now, let me walk you through how it actually works, because it is surprisingly simple. You set up a Discord bot, a real legit bot, not some sketchy workaround, a proper bot token. That means it is safe, it is stable, it follows Discord rules, no funny business. Once your bot is set up, you run one command, literally one command. You type Discrawl sync and it starts downloading everything, every channel, every thread, every message, all into a neat little database file on your computer. But wait, it gets better. Because Discrawl does not just do a one-time download, it also has a live mode. You run Discrawl tail and it listens for new messages in real time. So your database stays current, it is always up to date. New messages come in, they go straight into your database, no extra work. Hey, if we have not met already, I am the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he is helping clients get more leads and customers, I am here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so now you have this database. What do you do with it? Well, this is where it gets really fun. You can run SQL queries. So let us say you are a developer and your AI agent keeps crashing. You want to find every time someone in the Discord mentioned that exact error, you just run a simple query, something like search all messages where the content contains agent crash. Boom, every single conversation about that error pops up. Every bug report, every fix, every workaround, all of it instantly. Or let's say you want to find all the messages from a specific person. Easy, one query, done. Want to see which channels are most active? One query, done. Want to find every stack trace or error log that was ever uploaded? One query, done. Now, here's the part that blew my mind. This is not just for humans, this is for AI agents too, and that is a real game changer. See, right now, if an AI agent needs information from Discord, it has to go through the Discord API, and that API is slow, it has rate limits, it is clunky, it is not built for AI agents to search through massive amounts of data. But with Discrawl, the AI agent just queries the local database, no API calls, no rate limits, no waiting, just instant results. The agent asks a question, the database gives the answer, done. The OpenClaw community is already using this. Their Discord server has around 4 gigabytes of message history. 4 gigabytes, that is a massive amount of conversations about AI agents and tools and debugging. And now all of that knowledge is instantly searchable. Their bot multi uses this to help developers find solutions faster than ever. Now, if you are sitting there thinking, okay, this is cool for developers, but what does this mean for me? Let me connect the dots. Now, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like this to automate your workflows and scale your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It is the best place to learn how to use AI automation to get more customers and save hundreds of hours. The link is in the description and the comments. We break down tools like Discrawl and show you exactly how to put them to work. Okay, let me keep going because this gets even bigger. Discord is one of the largest platforms on the internet. There are servers with millions of members, servers about coding, servers about AI, servers about business, servers about literally everything. And all of those servers are basically giant knowledge bases. Millions of people sharing solutions and ideas and fixes and strategies every single day. But all of that knowledge is locked behind a terrible search function. You cannot find anything. It is like having a library with no catalog. The books are all there, but good luck finding the one you need. Discord changes that. It turns Discord into a real knowledge base, a real searchable archive. And when you combine that with AI agents, it becomes something completely different. Now, your AI can learn from community knowledge. It can search through years of discussions. It can find patterns. It can find solutions. It can find answers that no single person could find on their own. And this is part of a much bigger trend. People are turning all kinds of community platforms into AI readable knowledge bases. Slack conversations are being turned into searchable databases. GitHub issues are being indexed. And now Discord is getting the same treatment. Think about what this means. Every Discord server you are in, every conversation you have ever had, every solution that was ever posted, all of it could become searchable, queryable, useful. The tech stack behind Discord is clean too. It is built in Go, which means it is fast. It uses SQLite, so there is no complicated database setup. And the full text search is powered by FTS5, which is one of the fastest search engines you can use locally. Simple, fast, effective. To get started, you literally just install it with one command. Then you sync your server with another command. Then you open up the database and start searching. 3 steps, that is it. The GitHub repo already has over 180 stars and it is growing fast. Developers are picking this up because it solves a real problem. And as Discord servers keep getting bigger and bigger, this is only going to become more important. Now, let me tell you why I think this matters beyond just Discord. We are entering a world where AI agents need access to knowledge, real knowledge, not just what is on the internet, but what is inside communities, what is inside conversations, what is inside the places where real people solve real problems every day. Tools like Discord are the bridge. They take unstructured, messy community data and turn it into something an AI can actually use. And that is huge. So if you are a developer, try Discord. If you run a Discord community, think about what it would mean to have your entire server searchable in seconds. And if you are building AI agents, this is a tool you need to know about. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Have you ever struggled to find something in Discord? Have you ever wished you could search a server like a database? Julian reads every single comment, so let him know what you think. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Also, if you want to take things further and learn how to use AI tools like Discord and OpenClaw to automate your business and get more customers, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you want to be. We show you step by step how to put AI automation to work so you can save hundreds of hours and scale faster. Link is in the description. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next update. I will see you in the next one.